Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to organize your workspace and see everything side by side without constantly switching pages, this is going to be a game changer. Let's jump right in. First, open the Notion page where you want to display your databases. We'll start by adding your first database. Simply type /database and you'll see several options like table, board, list, or gallery. Choose the format that fits your needs. For example, a table for structured data or a board for a Kanban style workflow. Once selected, now choose your sample database that you want to insert. Notion will insert your database onto the page. Now, let's bring in a second database. On a new line, type /database again. This allows you to display an existing database instead of creating a new one. Search for the database you want and select it. It will appear right below your first one. At this point, you'll want to customize how the database looks. By default, Notion may show the original view, but you can change it. Click Add a View and choose a layout like table, list, or board. You can also apply filters, sorting, or grouping to show exactly what you need, like only active tasks or items grouped by status. If the default view is no longer useful, you can remove it by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. This won't delete your data, it only removes that specific view, keeping your page clean and focused. You can repeat the same process to add more databases. Just type /database, link to another database, and customize the view however you like. For example, you might have one database showing tasks, another showing deadlines, and another tracking projects, all in one place. By stacking and customizing multiple linked databases, you can turn your Notion page into a powerful dashboard where everything is visible at a glance. It's perfect for managing projects, organizing content, or even tracking personal goals. And that's it. This is how you can show multiple databases in one view in Notion. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.